Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personalized study abroad experience with CIS abroad step by step clearly. Begin by researching potential study abroad destinations that align with your academic goals and personal interests. Visit the CIS abroad website to explore various programs offered in different countries. Take note of the program details, including duration, location, and course offerings. Consider your budget and look for programs that fit your financial plan. Reach out to your school's study abroad office for guidance on transferring credits and fulfilling academic requirements. Create a list of questions or concerns you may have about the study abroad process. Contact a CIS abroad advisor to discuss your interests and ask any questions from your list. Schedule a virtual or in-person consultation to discuss program options tailored to your academic goals. Once you have narrowed down your choices, begin the application process for your preferred program. Gather all required documentation, such as transcripts, letters of recommendation, and a personal statement. Submit your application before the deadline to ensure a smooth process. After acceptance, review any pre-programmed materials provided by CIS abroad to understand your next steps. Consider attending pre-departure orientation sessions offered by CIS abroad to prepare for your experience. Begin preparing for your journey by organizing travel logistics, such as flights and accommodation. Research cultural norms and local customs of your chosen destination to ease your transition. Stay in touch with other participants in your program to build connections even before you depart. Finally, embark on your study abroad adventure with an open mind and a readiness to immerse yourself in a new culture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.